Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can do margin trading on Bitget. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up a Bitget app on your phone. Now from over here, tap on this option of trade at the bottom, then switch to margin. Now you can see margin trading is high risk. As a margin trading investor, you acknowledge and agree that you are responsible for the risks related to your and the sub account under you, access to end use of the margin trading service and borrowing service. This includes but are not limited to. As you can see by the notification itself, you can see it needs a lot of requirement and preparation. Make sure you're ready for it and then go for it. Tap on acknowledge and confirm and understand. Tap on confirm, and there we go. Now we have features guide and video tutorial. Make sure you do that and check out the features. You can see tap here to select the trading pair. Next we have to simply select cross margin mode or isolated margin mode, whichever one you prefer. Tap here to adjust the leverage and control the auto borrow limit. You can also choose to borrow repay manually. Then we have to simply select the trading mode and enter the required information right over here. You can view the available margin, maximum borrowable assets, and borrowed amount here. You can also transfer in more funds as margin. Tap here to view your account risk ratio. You can view your margin, account, orders, asset, and position over here at the orders. And that's how you're done, right? And you can also choose to check out the features right over here and the announcements as well. Now I will suggest you to properly study. Once you're done for it, you can simply switch to sell and buy and add in the information accordingly, and there you go, you are ready for your margin trading. So that is it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.